I'm gonna give you such great reviews! Yay! I'm gonna send to everybody I know here. So when my husband said, so why are you going all the way to Dorado? Because I have really good reviews. And you've got to take it with you. You're gonna do a good job. Because lo ganado sale caro.
Right.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I am truly happy. I'm so happy. Thank you so much.